This is the Dopic 4.3 horsepower, 3200 watt pet grooming dryer. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. Let's check it out and see what we got in here. This came packaged well, shipped safely. Looks like we have 3 nozzles here. Let's 4 nozzles. We have a hose that is about, I'd say 3 feet long right now, and it stretches out to 91 inches. Quick click on connectors, and a nice, it's kind of padded right here. Gives a little grip. We have a user's manual for this professional pet dryer in English, which is good. All right, it's got some safety instructions, how to attach the hose and nozzle, everything you would expect with instructions. We have this for tying your hair, I guess. I don't know what that's for. And we have the unit itself. Look at this. A little fan on the back to cool it off, a little cooling fan. We have a cable here. Cable appears to be about, cable looks like it's about 3 feet long. On the top here, we have temperature, high, low, and off position. We have an airflow dial on here, so you can set the airflow, the amount of air that flows out of the hose. And we have max airflow, power on, off, and max airflow. I guess that just sends it straight out, fully straight out. Pretty simple. You just take the end of the hose with the foam on it, stick it through the slots, turn it, you're connected. That was easy. And I'm assuming it's the same thing with the nozzle. Let's get this guy. Yep. Just gonna put it on there, spin it around, line up the slots, lock it into place. That's pretty easy. Might stay on there all that well. Maybe that's what that rubber band's for. Okay, that's what that band's for. Holds on there pretty well. Let's crank this thing up, see how loud it is. I gotta know how loud this thing is. All right, here we go. On, low. Oh, I gotta turn the power on. Low temperature. Wow. Temperature off. High temperature. A little heat on there. That's not bad. Not hot at all. Pretty simple to use. So apparently the temperature goes from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit. I was just feeling it on my hand. It wasn't bad at all. It can be used for, this blower actually blows pretty good. I could use this thing to blow out my keyboard or some stuff around the house. But I could see this would be good for a professional dog groomer maybe, or somebody that has a dog groomer business out of their home, or just for your own personal use for your own dog. Several different nozzles on here give you several different opportunities for different types of dogs. It's not overly powerful. The blower isn't overly powerful, and if it is, you've got this minimum maximum dial on here to dial it up or down. And with this hose on here, it gives you plenty of room to reach wherever you want to reach. Pretty cool. I'm liking this thing. I'm gonna have to test it out my dog, see what he thinks. You're a good boy. Good boy. Okay. Good paws. Good boy. Nice and dry. It feels good, huh? It feels good, nice and warm. You get all wet outside. There we go. So it only weighs about 8 pounds, not heavy at all. It's got a nice handle on there for you to carry it around with. You can just disconnect it. And easy to store, easy to carry, lightweight enough to where it's not an issue and be an issue for anybody. And pretty cool product. Dopic Pet Dryer.